Out here at beautiful Fraser Valley RC Flyers in Chilliwack, British Columbia. Figure we got some nice long grass here today, so nothing better than doing some grass cutting. What do you guys think? It's nice when it's nice and long like this. You get in there and just do a bunch of cutting. Practice your nose in hovering and stuff like that, or whatever orientation you're not comfortable with is probably not the best thing to do. But I sure love getting my blades nice and grassy.
Battery 80%.
See if we can do a long cut here. Not quite, but pretty close. They hay this field, so sometimes it gets pretty long. Let's try this again. There we go. Oh yeah. Just doing my part. Trying to cut down on the maintenance of the field.